I am currently standing on a construction site which has reddish laterite rock bed underground. Hi, you're watching a channel No Civil Engineering. I know we have been covering a lot of JCB videos, but this new video series will now cover laterite stones. In this video series, we will be exploring this commonly found material in my region. If you are a civil engineer, a builder, or just someone interested in geology, understanding soil and rock types is actually crucial. And today we start with the basics. And the basics we are covering here is what is laterite, how it forms, and what makes it geologically unique. So, laterite rock beds, they are like Earth's battle scars. These bad boys form in places where it's hot and rainy, like a never-ending sauna. Over thousands, millions of years, the constant soak and bake cycle strips away softer minerals, leaving behind this gritty mix of iron and aluminium. It's tough, it's raw, and it's got this deep red hue that screams, I have been through some stuff. It is formed in basically in tropical, subtropical regions through the weathering of basalt or granite. It is basically the end product of the weathering of the rocks called basalt or granite. Soluble minerals like silica and carbonates gets washed away with rainfall and high temperatures, leaving behind less soluble iron and aluminum oxides like hematite and gibbsite. The high iron oxide content not only gives it that red color but also boosts its durability once exposed. This is why it's so common in places like India, Africa, or Southeast Asia. It's actually nature's recipe at work. Laterites are considered residual soils because they are formed in places where it's actually there's a lot of heat. So their properties can vary greatly depending on degree of weathering and drainage conditions. In purely drained areas, they may retain more clay minerals, while well drained profiles tend to be more granular and rich in iron oxide. A UNESCO report highlights that laterite's plasticity index can drop significantly in well drained zones, improving its workability in construction. That was my introduction to the formation and natural behavior of laterite. In the next part of the series, we will discuss how this rocks behaves in real world of construction. And don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the part 2 of this series.